Hello and welcome to Nathan Brown's first tutorial video on how to make a spaceship in Maya. So I'll be running through a few basic extrusion tools which will eventually turn into the ship. So first of all we'll let me do it. We'll change this into polygons, this bit. Then over here, change it into polygons so I can see my first rectangle. Click on it, then click it onto here, and we should see that. Zoom in using the wheel, and then we want to go on to this so we can see what it is. So we're going to make it bigger by clicking down on the yellow box, doing that, and then stretching it. The blue as well, so it's about there. So then we'll click off it, click on it again, then hold down the right click and paste, so we can select this, and then see this little button here, click that whilst that's highlighted. We can click on the blue arrow and move this out, and then if we see on the side here, we click on the scale tool and do that. Move the tops in, this for the wings, so I want to move it thinner as well. Move it out a bit by clicking onto this one. So we've got arrows, and then let's hold down Alt and look around, make it a little bit thinner, and a little bit more like that. So then, like that. So I want the back near to straight, and then so it's dipping down here. Then with this selected already, we'll extrude it again. Then we can go like that, so it holds the shape of the last one. So then we'll move this in and scale that, and move this down like that, and then we can scale this inwards like that, and then I'm going to extrude it one more time just so it looks a bit better than the one basic triangle. So you can go like that and do the same as before, just scale tool, move in, go on it like that thin, and then that, and then move. There we are. We make it dip in a bit, so it's like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this bit here outwards. I'm going to move it up a little bit, and I'm going to scale it up just to make it look like a Star Warsy type. Actually, I'm going to move it back a bit like that. and then scale it. Then extrude one last time. And scale. This is optional, you don't have to do this. It's going to make that into look like rockets on the side. So if you do exactly the same to the other side over here, so we'll just quickly run through it again to make sure you know. So extrude, make sure the face is selected. Extrude, right there. So you've got scale tool and the move tool. Push the yellow one down, and then this one in a bit. Try and make it as level as the other one as possible. So we want it a bit more. And then we want to move like that. So we can have a look around and see if it's alright. That'll do. And then we extrude again. Blue arrow out a bit. Then scale tool. Alt to look around whilst you're holding in the left mouse as well, remember. And then move down that much. And that. Like so. And then one more extrusion, and then we'll have the missile bit. We'll go extrude. Outwards. Scale tool. Move backwards a little bit more, like that. Then scale tool. I find it easier to do one by one, so we can do the width now. And then missile bit is one tool. Edit, always good to know. Edit, undo, or Control Z. And there we go. Extrude again. And scale. And move tool. And extrude again. And last but not least, so there are the wings. So if we have a look, yeah, that's all good. That, and now we want the top part of the spaceship. So what we do is we extrude again, but instead of moving it, we scale it. So this means that we've just created a box on top, but we won't touch the other bits. So if we move now and put this at the back, like so, and now extrude on top of that extrusion without moving it. And then there we go, we have a box. So what we do again, no, we don't do that. Edit, undo, scale, it could look like a wing. Move to the back, like so. Make it a bit more thinner, I think. The top, like so. There we have that bit. And if you click on this bit, do the same as before, extrude, scale first, move tool to there, and extrude again, then move up a little bit, just for the cockpit, basically. Just make it look a bit more interesting. Move that bit in. And then move it back. Move it down a bit, actually. I mean, you can do whatever, you can put your own little twist on it, really. So there we have it. We've got this bit done. So let's go for, we need a nose extrude. It's good practice as well for using the extrusion tool. Move tool out. See, I was doing the scale then, but I should have been moving it. Then you can click on the yellow box there, so it's all level. You go like that, and you have that. And I'm going to move it down a bit. Let's have a look at that. We'll move it up like that. And then finally we will get a new polygon, put a circle in, and we want it 90 degrees, so on the Z should be, yeah, 90 degrees on, so you click on the channel box here and go on rotate Z, you've got the Z bit there, and then you can make it so it'll be there. And what we're going to do is want to make it smaller, it's way too big. Longer. Smaller, longer, and then move tool, zoom out, move tool, and move it into position. Another tool you can use is Alt-GR, and then right click, make it that, which is handy. And I'm going to place this there. Yeah, just to give it a difference. And then what I did then was Control D to duplicate it. Really, so we've got the same size, same position on that, and all I need to do is drag it across, find the place there, just there, and there we have it. Our very own spaceship. Next week we'll be looking at how to colour in and hypershades. Thank you for listening.